So this is the problem, belongs to model 3, two-dimensional random variables. The problem is a statistical survey on the heights of fathers and sons are taken and the observed data are given below. So heights of the father values given 65, 66, 67, 67, 68, 69, 70, 72. So corresponding height of the son 67, 68, 65, 68, 72, 72, 69, 71. So correlate the heights by designing two-dimensional random variables and discuss the nature of the correlation coefficient. So solution for this problem. So we need to write the formula for correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient. Notation R of x comma y. The formula is covariance of x comma y by sigma x sigma y. So covariance of x formula, covariance of x comma y formula is summation xy by n. N is number of data given in the problem minus x bar y bar. So here x bar value will be summation x by n y bar summation y by n. So x bar y bar values, and then in the formula there is sigma x sigma y. So sigma x formula, sigma x equal to square root of summation x squared by n minus x bar whole square. Similarly sigma y equal to square root of summation y squared by n minus y bar whole square. So we need to find all these values. To calculate covariance of xy, we need summation xy value. To calculate x bar, we need summation x value. To calculate y bar, summation y value we need. To calculate sigma x value, we need summation x square. To calculate sigma y, we need summation y square. So now we will try to find all these values using table. So to calculate the above values, so first x value from the table and y value from the table given in the problem. So consider this as x value. So 65, 66, 67, these are all x values. Similarly, y is height of the sun 67, 67, 65 and so on. So x value 65 to 72 x values. Similarly, y value 67 to 71. So in the problem, we need summation x value. So summation x value, we found that summation x is sum of the all values. This is called summation x. Summation x equal to 544. This is the summation x value. Similarly, summation y value will be 552. So xy is just multiplication of x value and the y value. 65 into 67. 65 into 67 gives 4355. Similarly, 67 into 66 into 68 gives 4488. So and then fourth column will be x squared value. Just to multiply 65 into 65. So 65 square value will be 4255. Similarly, for all the values, x squared value. This is the x squared value. So sum of the x squared value, summation x squared value will be 37028. Similarly, summation of xy value 37560. The last column will y square which is equal to y 67. So 67 square which is equal to 4489. So all these terms are y square value. The summation y square value will be 38132. Now we apply these summation values in the formula. First, n. N is number of data. Number of data, that is n equal to 8 value. So there are 8 numbers here. There are 8 x values. So n value 8. X bar. We already wrote that formula is summation x by n. We found that summation x value will be 544 by n value 8. So using calculator you can find that value is 68. Similarly, y bar. Summation y by n, that is 552 by 8. Answer is 69. Then sigma x. Sigma x formula is summation x squared by n minus x bar whole square. So we found that summation x squared value will be 37028 from the table by 8 into minus 68 whole square, because x bar value is 68. So 68 whole square. So using calculator you can find that sigma x value will be 2. Similarly, sigma y. Sigma y square root of summation y squared by n minus y bar whole square. So which is equal to 38132 by 8 minus 69 square. So 69 is the value for y bar. So sigma y value is square root of 5. So covariance of x comma y, summation xy by n minus x bar y bar. Just to substitute the known values. Summation xy value will be 37560 by 8 minus x bar value 68 y bar value 69. So using calculator you can find that covariance of x comma y value will be equal to 3. And then we need to, in this problem we need to find the correlation coefficient. Correlation efficient. Correlation coefficient rho of x comma y or r of x comma y notation, which is equal to covariance of x comma y by sigma x into sigma y. Rho of x comma y equal to covariance of xy value 3 by sigma x value 2, then sigma y value root 5. It is 3 by 4.47, which is equal to 0.671. Therefore, correlation coefficient equal to 0.671. So the problem is completed.